Oh, wait.
Yolanda's cooking channel.
Okay, before we make this video, gotta have a little talk with y'all first. Gotta have a little conversation. We making eggs right here. Got salt, pepper, cilantro, mustard, mayonnaise, and eggs. All right. so what we're making is what some people call deviled eggs, but we don't play that devil stuff around here. These are heavenly angel eggs. Yeah, that's what they are.
My angel eggs.
Yeah, Yolanda's heavenly angel eggs. So here we go. Let's get started, and she's gonna break it down how you do.
We already have the eggs boiled, hard boiled eggs. So I gonna peel it.
I got $20 to say you break one of the eggs, split one of the eggs, trying to peel it.
You think so?
I bet.
Oh my God. I'm gonna try now. But I think I expert that.
Here we gonna see.
So after you peel, you cut in half.
Is that half? Let me see. See me critiquing.
Yep. Put the gel, the yolk.
The yolk.
Yolk.
See? Wait. I want my money. I knew it. I saw it coming.
How much you say?
20. I think it was 20.
Okay,
man.
let's see the other ones.
Want double or nothing?
Huh?
Double or nothing?
Yeah.
You know what double or nothing means?
So what is that? Like double the amount?
Okay, yeah, we double the amount. So that means if you win, you break even. But if I win, you owe me.
No, you owe me 60.
No, I won. What you talking about? I won.
No, if I don't break, is you owe me.
Oh, I owe you.
Yeah.
Oh.
Double.
Oh yeah, double or nothing. Something like that. Yeah, wait, I tried to cheat you, didn't I?
Cheated.
Cheater. Cheaters never win. Wait. Uh-oh, hold on. She broke it.
No.
Was that another break? Yes, it was.
No.
No, that count.
No, that's not count.
Now you owe me 60, right? Is that how that works?
Oh, yes.
Somebody in the comments, tell us down there. Tell us, I don't know. But anyway, she losing, she owe me.
No, I pay with you, I cut your hair.
Okay, that'll work. Peanut crying. Yoli. We gotta let Peanut outside.
Oh, look at.
Let Peanut out. Let Peanut out.
So we gonna mash it.
Mash.
I gonna mash it. Mash. Do you want to taste it? Do you need a little salt?
Yeah, let me get a taste test. Let's see. It could use a little.
A little bit. Okay. Maybe it need a little mayonnaise. Okay, let's go a little mustard. It's a little touch. Okay, we're done. Yolanda and your eggs.
Yolanda.